Hello, this is Mr. Huff. Let's take a look at OnShape. So you can go to OnShape.com. For students in education, this is free for a year, and you can use it over and over. You just have to renew your educational access every year. So what I want you to do is you're going to scroll to the very bottom of this page, and you're looking for something that says the word education. Oh, look at this, education plans. We're going to click on that. So what you're going to do from this point, you'll click on For Students. And then it's going to ask you to fill some things in. So we're going to get started with OnShape for students and educators. And this is the same if you are renewing your account or starting your first account. So I'm going to go ahead and get this filled in with a fake student. So for this, we're just going to do a fake student. So you put your first name and last name. Use your school email address at this point, and then you need to check that you're a student and your school level is K-12, and that you agree to the privacy policy. Okay, once you get to that point, you're going to click Create EDU account, and it's going to ask a few more questions. Okay, on this one, you're going to put your school name, include your high school, like Midlothian Heritage or Midlothian High School. So in this case, I'm just going to pick this one that popped up. Your school website's URL is misd.gs. It's Midlothian, Texas, in the United States. Choose your graduation year. And what are you using for? We're going to put engineering. And then you have to check that you're older than 13. And when you are done, you have to also check that you agree and you also agree. And you have to check that I am not a robot. I've always been a little concerned that a CAPTCHA with the checkbox in it is probably not the best way to check for a robot. After you do that, you're going to click Create Account. You need to watch your email in your spam folder. You will get an email asking you to validate your email address. And then once you have that, you can log into OnShape, and I'll show you what to look for. So in OnShape, when you go to your dashboard here, you can see the different parts here, the creating new documents, what you are working on, details about any selection. One of the things I want you to notice is right here at the bottom left, it should say education under your subscription. If it doesn't say education, you need to go through that same process I just showed you, renew your account, and it'll work as an educational account for a year. What educational accounts do, it gives you full access to the full version of OnShape, and it lets you make designs that are not necessarily shared with the entire world. All right, I hope this helps. This is how you set up your OnShape account.